All right, so this is the plan. So we're gonna pull up to the bank. We're gonna go around back. Security camera should be off. By the time we go inside, we should get to the safe, unlock it, get the money, and we should be gone. No problems at all. You ready?
How you like me now? How you like me now? How you like me now?
They dropped the bag. Bro, what are you doing?
Be rich now, boy.
I know, bro, I know.
Bro, what are we gonna do with the money?
I don't know, man. Who's that?